Join us for an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at the fourth episode as we take this incredible team to the stunning Villa Dona Belida. To make this day extraordinary, they rented a minivan, created a special barbecue logo to symbolize their unity as they traveled together from Lisbon to Santarém. The adventure kicked off with a tour of the main house and surrounding buildings, unveiling the enchanting beauty of Villa Dona Belida. Sometimes in shock with the state of the buildings, but also finding treasures such as old wine barrels and ox carts makes this tour a one-of-kind. Dennis and Patrick explaining to the team the plans and the amazing potential this beautiful estate from 1911 has to offer. The weather on this day couldn't have been better, since it's sunny and around 30 degrees. We're already in the end of September when these images were taken. One of the advantages of living in Portugal. A stroll to a nearby lake showcased the natural wonders within walking distance. This lake serves for irrigating the surrounded pieces of land. The many hectares of ground, which once belonged to Villa Dona Belida, are now bought by a company which will plant almond trees and later start production. These almost trees with their beautiful white flowers will make the future views even more breathtaking. Back at Villa Dona Belida, it was time for some refreshment, drinks and bites. Each team member contributed something special to the feast, creating a potluck of flavors and shared memories. The team gathered for a sizzling barbecue that not only fueled their bodies, but also ignited the passion that has driven their success in the beauty industry for over a decade in Portugal. Dennis and Patrick showcase the bond they've built with their team, sharing laughter, stories, and industry insights in a picturesque setting that perfectly reflects the beauty they created together. Vegetables, meat, and sausages were put on the barbecue, ready to start having dinner together. Some colleagues expertly crafted cocktails, while others reveled in the breathtaking views surrounding them. A few even seized the opportunity to capture the mesmerizing light for a spontaneous photo shoot, immortalizing the magic of the day. The Santarém area has some of the most beautiful sunsets, especially with the view Villa Dona Belida is given. As the evening unfolded, the team indulged in delectable desserts and exchanged heartfelt presents, cementing the bonds they've built over their years together. The night lingered on with laughter, shared stories, and the creation of new memories that will forever be cherished. Only late in the evening did this extraordinary celebration come to a close, leaving everyone with something to remember.